Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to hide friends in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. To hide close friends in Mobile Legends, first of all, open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang application on your device, and from the home screen, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu. Now from the settings menu, go to privacy on the left hand side, and under privacy settings, get to the Hide Close Friends option and make sure to turn it on by tapping on On. After you select On inside Hide Close Friends, you will then be able to hide your close friends from your account. Now others won't be able to see your friend list within the game. So that's how you easily hide friends in Mobile Legends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Mobile Legends tips. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.